Like most carpet issues, pet odors can remain even after a thorough cleaning. And as you can see here, they're oftentimes hard to spot with the naked eye. But by utilizing specialty equipment, we're sure to detect any issues that may be present and mark them accordingly with a water-soluble marker. Next, we mist the trouble areas with our custom-made in-house urine treatment product, and we follow it up with our thorough raking of the carpet fibers. This guarantees a universal spread of the product and loosens any deeply embedded urine salts that may be present. Afterwards, it's time to extract the cleaning product and all of the nasties that is taken care of. Our specialized subsurface tool allows for high press, pinpoint suction, which helps ensure complete removal of any soils that may have been present. Once removed, we proceed with a light deodorization of the area and follow it up with our top-of-the-line truck-mounted cleaning system. This provides high heat, unparalleled suction, and a quality rinse that guarantees an odorless, spotless, and quick drying clean.